have Cynful chicken with white wine and mushroom sauce. Start out by cooking your shallots. Get them to where they're just translucent. Then go ahead, I added butter afterwards, but go ahead and add your garlic. Stir that around. We'll cook that for about a minute. Add your mushrooms. We're going to cook them till they're brown and they've released all of their liquid. Once we've done that, we're going to remove all of that and put it in a bowl and set it aside. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. And go ahead and flour both sides of that chicken. Drop it in the pan. And we're going to sear it until they're golden brown and delicious on both sides. Now reserve that flour because we're going to use it later. Once that's done, set it aside. Add about a cup of chicken broth and go ahead and scrape all that yummy stuff off the bottom. And then add your white wine and the 2nd cup of chicken broth. Add your mushrooms and onions back in. And the rest of that butter, that's 4 tablespoons. Sprinkle the reserved flour over the top. This is the flour we dipped the chicken in. And stir it in. It's going to get thick on you. The butter's going to melt. It'll nicely tighten up. Once it does that, put the chicken back in, coat both sides, and then we're going to cook it in our 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it reaches 165 internal temperature. After that, we're going to rest them for about 10 minutes before serving. There is a link to a downloadable and printable PDF file in the description, but here's your recipe anyway. I would like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful day.